Hey guys, Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and I am bringing to you guys a review video. This is the second video for today. I wasn't sure if I was going to get to a second video today, but here I am. So first, I'd like to start out by saying like, share the video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification if you find this review helpful. Um, it would really mean a lot to the community and to myself if you guys share, like, and subscribe. Um, so if this helps you at all, make an informed decision. I'd be happy to hear about it too. Comment. I'll reach out to you. Like I'll do a shout out in the next video that I heard from someone or I got a subscriber. Every little bit helps, and as I keep saying, with this community, it's not just my community, it's our community, and we're all one. So today I'm bringing you guys a review for the Super Squeeze Page Pack by Frank Salinas. I've used the Super Squeeze Page Pack, and I have actually thoroughly enjoyed using it. It does work. Now, I'm going to explain in this review who it's perfect for. I'm going to explain where you can use this. It's not done for you like there's like done for you products or anything. The only product that there's actually done for you stuff is he had. You can go out and promote this same product yourself, and you'll actually get. I think one of the bonuses is you'll actually get the ability to get a price bump on this. If not, it's just a straightforward, I believe, 50%. Don't quote me on that. I'm pretty sure it's 50. But on the front end, you get a big price bump of, I think it was like 80% or something like that. So I have sold one or two myself, so I've already gone like what I paid for it back. So yeah, it's been pretty amazing anyway. So the Super Squeeze Page Pack by Frank Salinas. Excuse me, sorry. I had an alarm set and totally forgot about it. Anyway, so the Super Squeeze Page Pack by Frank Salinas is basically a done for you. It's 20 done for you, never seen before, high converting done for you squeeze pages, plus 3 extra bonuses. They're worth 5 times the cost of this entire package. What it basically gives you, this is I'm going to actually talk about first who it's good for. Why done for you squeeze pages are good are if they're good for you if you're a beginner, you don't know quite where to go. The system that this is on, like the system that the squeeze pages are for, any page builder can be a little, what's the word? They can be a little confusing at times when you're first learning. I know because I've used 2 different page builders myself. They can be a little daunting at times. So, for instance, I've used something called Lead Pages. Lead Pages was a little daunting. Very, you gotta learn all the controls and stuff. And when you're first learning, it can be a little confusing. The one that most marketers seem to be using now is called LeadsLeap, which you guys can. At the end of this video, I'll have a description in the video for LeadsLeap if you'd like to join. It is free, but there is also a paid version, which the paid version does give you more, and you get a lot of bang for your buck, basically. So they say. And I'm not saying so they say, I'm saying that's how the saying goes, right? You get lots of bang for your buck, and it's a pretty decent system. Like I'm using it for my whole affiliate back office, like page builder, everything. And I'll have the link in the description for the Super Squeeze Page Pack. But anyway, LeadsLeap is basically an affiliate back office that a lot of marketers nowadays seem to be using. And that's where these are going to be linked to. Now, I'm not going to show you the actual thank you page because unfortunately that's where all the links to these pages are. And unfortunately, it wouldn't be right of me to show that page when it's Frank's page and it's his thank you page. And, it has some of the codes and stuff, and other people are paying for that. It's not fair if I go and show that, and then you guys go and I'm not saying anyone would, but I'm just saying like someone out there will go, oh look, there's the codes for free. Not going to show it, but I will show you what some of them look like. But anyway, I'm going to go through the sales page really quick here. So these do in fact work. I have had great luck using his squeeze pages, and it's good to have 20 different ones because you can split test them and everything else. I did try them; they work, and I'll show you what the basic thing looks like. But we'll get to that in a minute. So basically, he got he had 20 brand new done for you lead getting squeeze pages for you that will help you build your email list fast. Blah blah blah. It does work. I did have lots of luck with this. Basically, yeah, like these are squeeze pages too that you can maneuver around. Like you can change things on them. You can make them better. You can make them your own brand. Like oriented. You can make them more for your brand. Okay, that's what I was trying to say. Um, so anyway, so here's some of the problems that people face when trying to make money online: not building an email list, okay, no technical or design skills, and using the same squeeze page as everyone else to promote your opportunity. Now, I can tell you right now, this key right here is horrible. Okay, this last problem is one of the main problems in my um, idea of things, because using the same squeeze page as everyone else, it's not detailed to your brand, right? So if you're using the same squeeze page, let's say as someone else, to promote your opportunity, and you're promoting the same opportunity as someone else, um, that is a big problem unless you know how to market it so that it's your own product. So basically, if you know how to market it, you know how to set up something, you know how to do it in a way that sounds better than the other people that are promoting with that same squeeze page, that's different. But if you're someone who's just going out and doing the same thing as everyone else, this problem is like the main problem. It is frustrating. It is horrible. I know that. Frank knows that. Everyone knows that. It is a very frustrating problem. The no technical and design skills, that is a problem too, but unfortunately, like affiliate marketing really doesn't have much. Like you do have to design a little bit, but it's not like heavy on being technical and stuff, unless you get into the more higher stuff like SEO and stuff like that. Okay, so anyway, that's just some of the problems he lists. But these squeeze pages solve all these problems. Now, like I said, this is perfect for beginners. It's perfect for people that just don't have time, which I'm going to say right now, not having time is not an excuse. But, um, if you don't have time to go and keep making your own squeeze pages and stuff, or you just don't know how to work tools too much, you can get this and just see. That's why I like some done for you things, because some done for you things show you how certain things are done. You could find tutorials on that, but of course, sometimes some people don't explain the tutorial properly, things like that. So this is perfect for beginners, and it's perfect for people who want to learn the controls of a new page builder. And these only go through LeadsLeap, so you can't get it for anything else. It only goes through LeadsLeap, which I think is better anyway, because LeadsLeap is far cheaper than going out and, let's say, getting something like Lead Pages, which is like, I think the other day I did a price check on it, and it's like $37 a month. I think it might even be closer to like $47 a month or something like that. It was a lot of money when I was doing it. In Canadian, it was like $60 a month. And that's a lot of money. You're going to have enough sales to cover that $60 a month. So I went with something cheaper like LeadsLeap, which it has been 10 times better than even lead pages. So anyway, so what you get is you get 20 done for you squeeze pages, 1 bridge page, a bonus squeeze page to promote this offer, training on how to track conversions, training on how to set it all up, and a lifetime access. Okay. So let's see. I want to get to the bonuses, and I think where's 3 huge bonuses. So first, you get 180 days of evergreen make money copy and paste emails. Now, I do suggest that if you're going to get the email swipes, it's kind of like what we're doing with the My Lead Gen Secret case study. You do want to switch the emails around a bit. You don't want to just use someone else's emails unless you're going to change them around a bit, kind of, stuff like that. But this is a good bonus because most people for 180, well, actually, how about this? Go look at Fiverr. Go look at a copywriter. And a copywriter will usually charge you about $50 an hour, which is worth way more than, well, I'm saying $50. I haven't really gone and looked at a copywriter because I do my own stuff. But a copywriter will cost you per hour, and they're going to charge you, like if you do 180 days of emails with that copywriter, that's going to be a lot of money. And that's worth way more than what you're getting. Like you're getting this as a bonus. You also get high commissions affiliate program. So regular affiliates can only earn 40% commissions. Okay, so I was wrong. It wasn't 50, it was 40. Promoting this offer. But if you go and get this offer, you'll actually receive 80% commissions on Where Plus. So I have gotten the 80% commissions, and it's totally amazing. It's more money than what the 40% affiliates get, right? And then you get the bonus squeeze page to promote this offer. So he gives you the squeeze page, and I was going to say the bridge page, but the bridge page is bonus. The bridge page is part of the whole pack. It's the squeeze page. So you get the squeeze page detailed to this product, okay? And you can change it. It's changeable. It's something you can make your own if you want. So it's $197 additional value, which, like I said, to this alone up here is already worth way more than, what it costs to give you this whole package. Because 180 days worth of emails, like I said, a copywriter will charge you through the teeth for something like that. Like they'll charge you an arm and a leg. Sorry. They'll charge you limbs. So yeah, it's decent that way. The price is decent. So yeah, and that's Frank Salinas right there. I've worked with Frank for a bit now. He's a great guy. I'm actually part of one of his safe lists. He does a great job. But anyway, so now I'm just going to quickly show you guys what the pages look like. I've already got LeadsLeap open. You can see up here the last 4 pages are all LeadsLeap. No, sorry, that one's not. But anyway, so this one. So this is basically what one of the squeeze pages is going to look like. Now, there are some photos in them that I don't like, and I'm going to get to like what I rate this and stuff like that later. But basically, you can change all this if you don't like what it says. Like if you don't like continue and you want to change it to, I don't know, and click here to accept, or I don't know. I can't think right now. And then you just put in, I don't know, test. Like you can play around with this, right? Like just make it your own, so test. And then you can like go here and change this to test 1. And you can see you can just do all these changes. This is all within LeadsLeap too. So this is all the things you can do in LeadsLeap. So this is like the LeadsLeap page builder. It gives you pretty much all the same stuff you get with something like lead pages. So, and do test 3. But anyway, So yeah, you can do things like that. You can change this around. You can, you have to link this to your bridge page. And what a bridge page is, if you don't know what a bridge page is, this is a bridge page that I'm going to show you next. But a bridge page is basically the thing that links. It's like bridging. Okay, so you got your capture page to collect the person's email, and then you've got the bridge page, and then after that you've got the product that you're offering. Okay, so the bridge page basically says congratulations, thanks for so let me just quickly go into that. I'll show you what this bridge page looks like. Now, this bridge page in itself is actually pretty powerful, and I'm going to explain that as well. Frank did a great job with this bridge page because there's no picture in the background. It's very straightforward. It does not have anything to distract the person that just recently signed up to your email. But it says, congrats, make sure to check your email, and then click to continue. Okay, so that will link to your product. Okay, but this is very powerful because this part right here alone makes the person feel congratulated. It makes them feel like, wow, they feel amazing, and it's kind of a psychology thing. You know how I've been talking lately in the My Lead Gen Secret case study about playing with the psychology, right? So I'm going to go back to this page. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so I rate this at an overall 4.5 out of 5 stars. And the reason why I rate it at 4.5 out of 5 stars was there was one problem that I had with this product, and that was some of the photos in the background are too distracting, I find, for customers. So you will have to play around a little bit with, you can like blur them and make them more transparent and stuff like that. But I don't like the photos of money. Okay, and he has some of the photos in the background on some of the squeeze pages with like money flying around, and I don't like those kinds of pages just because seeing that may mislead a bit. Not only mislead, but I just don't like the whole, like, yeah, some people see it and go, oh, money, but I look at as you're trying to compensate. And I don't think any marketer should use money in their background of their capture pages, because I just find it's too distracting, and also it's too I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. It's really just too, But overall, 4.5 out of 5 stars. Still isn't bad. Like, I do recommend this to beginners if you don't know where to go exactly with making your own capture pages. This does it for you, and then you can take these done for you things and learn from there. And not only learn, but you can take those things and actually, you know, um, kind of play with them a bit, learn the tools, and then eventually you can start making your own. And you could even probably do something like this and make your own squeeze pages that might be high converting or something. Doing something that really speaks to someone else, right? So 4.5 out of 5 stars. I do recommend it. I got it myself. I use it. They do work really well. They are very nice. Of course, you have to play around with it a bit. You have to learn how to play with the mysteriousness of the product that you're going to unveil to them and stuff like that. You do have to play with a little bit of mysterious. You got to be mysterious in the way that you word everything and all that. But for the most part, it's pretty simple to do when you've got done for you capture pages. So again, the link for this will be in the description. The link for LeadsLeap will be in the description. And I don't remember if there was one more thing I said I was going to add, but the videos, the video for LeadsLeap will be at the end of this video. It should be showing up on the screen right now. So like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification if this helps you. And you guys have a great, awesome day. Cheers.